Hi, this is Bob with RT Olson Plumbing. I got called out for a leak. We can totally see it. It's pretty bad here. I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. So we got quite a bit of water buildup. Almost looks like there's multiple leaks there. Maybe 2 leaks. So here's the valve here. So we're going to go ahead and shut this down. And that'll stop the leak. And I'm on a mission and I won't stop. No destination, but it's worth a shot. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know. Ready for a walk, I'm an Armageddon. Bring your sword, 'cause the time is near. Gotta do it big like Bonnevier. I'm a rock star on a chandelier. Off the wall, see I'm about to go crazy. For the peace, anybody that can take me. What a girl who seems to amaze me. In the forest to you for the baby. So now I'm out to break it down. Shirts come around, find the best to run. Fire in my eyes, can't catch me now. I'm young and numb, trying to have some fun. Don't judge me, you only live once. Homies in the back, so we gotta live it up. Party in the lake, everybody got it now, got it now, got it now, got it now, got it now. This job's not over. We gotta take out the drywall, prep it, dry it out, and it'll go on. I might even have to remove that water here and fix this platform here for them. It depends on what the insurance is going to cover. So we'll probably be back here. All right. Thank you for watching. You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know. Please out of my way. No rules on the why it begins. Not east or L is the way. Got a grin on my face and we're off to the race. Going fast and we never slow down. Head to head we go pound for pound. Take them out downtown.